on. Oh my gosh.
This is a test of the weather radio warning device. During potentially dangerous weather situations or other emergencies, receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday, 11 a.m. and noon. Reception of this program and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. The variability becomes more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for warnings, selected watches, and other environmental emergencies affecting the...
There goes Sterling's.
Alexander, Allegheny.
The radios are probably exploding.
Caswell.
Wait, we can get KHB38. We can get KHB36 or we can get KHB36. Yeah, KHB36.
Iredell, Johnson, Lee, Martin, Montgomery, Moore.
There goes KZ28.
Orange, Person, Pitt, Randolph, Noah, Lowe's. Forecast summer. Wayne, Wilkes, West Wayne, Warren. Tests of these radios. Chesterfield and Marlborough, and the following counties in Virginia: Brunswick,
That's WXL
Floyd,
42.
Grayson, Henry, Mecklenburg, Patrick, and
KZZ28.
lower 50s and the warning of a southwest winds in location.
KHB36.
Variability Monday night. Cloudy warning alarm tone in the test of the weather radio's warning alarm system. Here are the tests of the warnings miles per hour. Affecting
Whoa, what is that?
area. Lows are south 5 to 10. National Weather Service test for the Washington Metro area. In the lower swing area. Southwest 5 to 10 miles per hour. Up this area Thursday night. 10 miles an hour. Then clearing.
What is that?
Hour with gusts in the upper 40s miles per hour. 5 miles an hour. Virginia mostly sunny. Highs in the upper 70s. Southwest winds around 5 miles. Lows on Thursday night, mostly cloudy. Lows partly hazy. South winds lower 80s. Friday is partly cloudy. Highs in the lower 80s. Lows in the upper 50s. Saturday, partly cloudy. Forecast summary. High pressure will cover the central Appalachian Sunday.
What was that? Guys,
More partly sunny, 64.
remember that station with the faint EAS headers? Well, that was this station. That was this station.
This is NOAA Weather Radio. All hazards. Station WXL 40, serving the lower Susquehanna Valley and originating from the National Weather Service and State College.
Awesome, right? So we got State College's required weekly test. That's cool. Oh my gosh! Oopsie.
This is a weekly test of the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Warning Device.
New station!
KHB38 in Atlantic City, New Jersey. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey, every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather during the normal test time, the test will be postponed to the next good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous weather watches and warnings for the following counties and marine areas in and near southeast New Jersey: Atlantic, Burlington, Cape May, Cumberland, and Ocean, including the Atlantic coastal waters from Manna, Swan Inlet, New Jersey to Cape Henlopen, Delaware out 40 nautical miles, and all of Delaware Bay. This concludes the weekly test of NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards, station KHB38 in Atlantic City, New Jersey. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards.
I cannot believe I just got that. I'm kind of shaking a little bit. That's so far away from here. That's like all the way in New Jersey. I'm pretty sure it's about like 300, 400. That's pretty far away. There you guys have it. Oh my gosh.